Hi, today we're going to start with two-digit addition, and yeah, let's get started. So number 1, we have 22 plus 99. So 2 plus 9 is 11, so the first digit goes down, and we write our second digit above. Now, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So that would be 121. Number 2. 56 plus 65. 6 plus 5 is 11. And here we have 1 plus 5, that's 6. Plus 6 is 12. So we have 111, which is the same answer as the previous question. Now we're going to do number 8. 69 plus 23. 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. So that's 92. Now, number 11. We have 39 plus 35. 9 plus 5 is 14, so the 1 goes up. Now we're going to add these three numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. So number 11, we have 74. Let's try one more. 76 plus 38. 6 plus 8 is 14, and the 1 goes up. 1 plus 7 plus 3. Well, we can see that 7 plus 3, that makes 10, plus 1 is going to be 11. So number 13 is 114. Let's move on to the next page. Drawing time. If you look at a clock, the 1 represents, so the 12 is 0. The 1 represents 5, 10, 15, and it goes up by 5. 20, 25, 30, 7 is 35, 8 is 40, 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55, and then it goes around. And it goes in this direction, okay? So if we look at our number 1, we have 11, 25. So we're first going to draw our minute hand, which is the long one. So 25 is over here. That's 5. Now we're going to have to draw the long hand pointing at 5. And for the hour hand, we have 11. So it needs to be between 12 and 11 because it's going this direction, and right now it's 11:25. So it needs to be, the shorthand needs to be between 11 and 12. Now let's try number 2. Here we have 0, 0. That was over here, 12, right? So because this is the minute, and the minute hand is the long one, we're going to draw the long hand pointing at 12, and it's 9 o'clock, so it is the shorthand is going to point at 9. Now, number 3, 4:05. 5 was over here, and that was 1. So the long hand, which is the minute hand, needs to point at 1. Now, because it's 4:05, it's going to be between 4 and 5 because the clock is going in that direction. So the shorter hand is going to be pointing at 4, between 4 and 5. Now perimeter. Perimeter is when you add all the lengths of the side. So all the length of these sides Now, the opposite sides have the same length. So that would be 8 centimeters. And here, this is 6. So the opposite side is also going to be 6 centimeters, sorry. So if we add, here we have 8 plus 8, that's 16, plus, now here we have 6 plus 6. That would be 12. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 28. Let's try number 4. Here, all the sides are shown except over here. And to figure that out, because we know all the sides are the same length, but over here it says 8, and here it's 5. So this length plus 5 would equal 8. And to figure that out, we're going to do 8 minus 5, which is 3. So this means that the length over here is 3 centimeters. So now we're going to add all the sides. 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 21 plus 5 is 6. And the 2 comes down. And now the 10 is going to be added. So we have 36. So the answer is 36. Now let's try number 1. There are 129 flowers in a garden. There are 58 white flowers, 37 red flowers, and the rest are pink. How many pink flowers are in the garden? So the total is 129, and we know the number for white flowers and red flowers. So we're first going to add white and red flowers. 8 plus 7, that's 15. And we're adding these 3 numbers. So 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Now we're going to have to subtract 95 from 129. Oh, sorry. Subtract. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And just ignore this and see this as 12 minus 9. So that's 34. So there are 34 pink flowers in the garden. Thank you.